Ya Rasulullah, are you okay? We are your brothers, we're here. I wish the only thing that I will miss is that I didn't get to see my brothers and sisters. Abu Hurairah radiallahu anhu was standing there listening to this, and he was confused along with the companions. He said, Ya Rasulullah, are we not your brothers? We're here, we're standing next to you, Ya Rasulullah. What are you saying? Something gone wrong, Ya Rasulullah. And Abu Hurairah radiallahu anhu was moved. He was scared. He said, Ya Rasulullah, are you okay? We are your brothers, we're here. Rasul looked at him, and his face was tired, and he was slightly sad. He said, Ya Abu Hurairah, you are my companions. My beloved brothers and sisters are the ones who believed in me, but never had the chance to see me. They have not come yet. I wish only that I could have seen them. Rasul indirectly is farewelling, but at the same time, the most important thing after meeting Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is us. Did you realize that?